Hey y'all, me again. We're here in the kitchen, so should be a video out there from a day or two ago of me harvesting the lion's mane mushroom. First time I ever found one of those in good enough shape to eat. So I'm gonna do this real quick. I done tried some when I got it home that day, and I tried to film it, but it was a pretty sorry video. So anyway, I'm gonna try to do it again and show you. It's gonna be pretty simple. So let me show you right quick. First of all, let's get a close-up of that thing. I'm not gonna cook this piece. I'm gonna save this, but it's got to be one of the coolest looking mushrooms. But here I have a piece, and I cut a lot of the hairs off of it because it had dirt and everything in it, and I didn't want to use it, and I didn't want to wash it with water, so I just cut it off. I don't think it really matters, because this in here is where most of the part that you eat is. The hairs are just mostly on the outside, and I'm going to just cut it in these thin slices like that. Now, give you an idea, you see that? So there's a lot of air in there. It don't seem to be a real meaty mushroom. Maybe if I had a bigger, better specimen, maybe so. Okay, you can see straight through it. Anyway, let's slice it up and leave that like that. It's gonna be butter, salt, and pepper, and that's probably all I'm going to use. So here it goes. Okay, the butter's good and hot. First time I cooked this, I didn't hardly have the skillet hot enough, and I didn't cook it long enough on each side. You want to get a pretty good brown crisp on each side to give it the good texture. So we're going to try to do a little better with it this time. Okay, I probably won't add the salt and pepper right yet. Throw that little piece on there. Okie doke. Let's see what happens. Alright, it's a lot hotter. I let it go a little longer. Actually, I wanted it a little darker than that, but I think we'll get that. So I added the pepper. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Maybe a little much, but that's okay. Probably going to flip this one more time, take it off onto the plate. Yeah, this thing kind of falling apart. I think it's still going to be a little bit mushier than I want it, so maybe I don't know what I'm doing exactly. If any of you guys want to comment on this and help me out, but the idea of the video is to get a taste of it. I just want to see what it tastes like. It tasted pretty good last night, but I think I can do better than that. Okay, I think that's going to be as done as I can get it. Yeah, I got a little bit of brown on it like I wanted. So I think maybe I used too much butter, or maybe there was too much moisture in the mushroom, or both. Or maybe that's just the way this is, but I don't think so. I think it's something I could have done different. But smells good, looks good. Let's give it a taste. Okay, here it goes. Okay, to describe it, they say that it tastes like seafood. I can kind of see that. Really good taste, probably one of the better tasting ones. I wish the texture was a little bit firmer. Again, that could be me cooking it, but I think this could go with just about anything. and a stir fry if you wanted a seafood flavor or whatever. So, yeah. So I've tried a few that I've showed you, different mushrooms. Actually on the channel I think I've only showed you eating a chicken mushroom. And I think right now the chicken mushroom is my favorite because of the firm texture. I've eaten some other wild mushrooms, such as I found a bunch of oysters once. Those were really good, but they can be a little bit soggy like these if you don't cook them just right. Flavor of these is right up there, if not better than the others, with the exception of the chicken mushroom. So anyway, hopefully you can find some of your own, or somebody can find one. I think they sell these at the store. Some places, not around here, but other places. So that'll be it for this video. Just wanted to show you kind of what came out of the hunt. So it was worthwhile, and I like it. So anyway, I'll let you go now. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to, give me a thumbs up or subscribe, and leave me some comments. Let me know how I'm doing. Y'all be good.